Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We're back with another video here this morning. On the agenda today we have a house wash and then we have a pool cage. A pretty decent size, I believe. I haven't seen it yet, but at any rate, a little bit chilly and rainy out here today. Supposed to get some more rain this afternoon, so we're gonna see how quick we can knock these out. Hopefully we can beat the rain. All right, well, we'll see you at the job. Okay, so here we are at the job site. I'll take you back and show you what we're working with today. So we got this pool cage inside and out. It's got a lot of green algae. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but we get all along there. We'll probably hit these paver bricks too. And then inside, got a lot of green. Paint's actually all oxidized, so not a whole lot we can do about that, but we can get all the green off. Down along this side. And up along here. Make it look really good. And then we're going to hit the this back window sills here too. Get all that together. All right, so there's our project for this morning. So let's get going. Okay, so we're all finished here. I'll walk you around, show you how to pull decking out. We got some footprints still on here, but anyway, yeah, much better. Cage all looks good. Big difference. So anyway, all right, so that's the job for here. We'll see you at the next.